So in this video, I need to stop saying so. I say that a lot.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious. If it's your first time here, you're so welcome. Thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video, I need to stop saying so. I say that a lot. Anyways, the tutorial for today is eyebrows. So I'll be showing just say that again. I'll be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, the natural brows I always go for, because I don't like my brows thick. Then that was like way back when I used to like that, when that was the trend. But these days I just like my brows so natural that you won't even think I have brows on. That's what I'm trying to say. So again, I actually have like full hairs, so it doesn't really make any much difference when I apply my eye pencil and all of that, because I don't make it thick. Like I said earlier, I make it very light. As you can tell, I've already done my base. My foundation is on. My concealer, I've contoured my face, and my highlighter, my setting powder is baking. So let's jump right into it. So for the tutorial, for this, to draw your brows, right, you need this pencil or any pencil you have. Actually, this one is like Davy's pencil, I think. Yeah. Then you need this spooling wand. You also need a blending brush like this, and you need an angle brush like this. I keep my face like that. Then you also need this brush. I'll be using this brush too, but you don't need to have all these brushes anyways. I think with these three you're good: a spooling brush, a blending brush, and an angle brush. Then the concealer I'll be using is the LA Girl Fawn Pro Concealer in Fawn. You want to brush your brows upwards. Then you take that pencil. If you see me looking this way, that's because I have my mirror here. So you draw the line very lightly. Just follow your outline. That's if you don't like big brows. Then at the beginning, you just want to make straight lines. Then fill in these empty spaces. Then you just go ahead and brush that upwards. Clean my brows. I'll go in with my concealer. Just a tiny bit. I like to start from here and work my way through. I want to make sure the edge of your brows are very thin and pointed. So for the beginning of my brows, I like to go with my foundation, like the shade of my foundation, to do that, because I don't want, like I said earlier, I like it to look so natural. That's why I do this step. So you want to drag that down and just blend in. Now go ahead with this brush and blend them together, starting from the end. Then just work your way through. Then go with your blending brush and blend everything together. So I'm done with the other one. I'm done with my other brows. Sorry about that. Then I also like to set my brows because I want them to like last. I have oily skin, so I don't want to be sweaty, especially when I'm going out and I'll be out for a long time. So I'll be using my setting powder from Nuban Beauty. This is the shade Mustard. I don't know why I'm so happy. Why am I laughing like? So you just want to tap on that. I know I look hella ridiculous right now, but don't worry. You see the effect it does. Then I'll just set my eyelid too. I'll let that sit in for about 30 seconds or a minute while I dust off my eyelid. Like the powder from my eyelid, not my eyelid, sorry. Once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead with my powder brush and dust off that excess powder from my eyebrows. So if you notice, I didn't conceal on top of my brows. I don't like to do that anymore. Once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead with my wand and brush it up. You guys, do you see what I'm talking about? Like, my brows look so natural. And the setting powder also makes it look more natural while it lasts. So like, that's the deal, that's the trick. That's the word I'm supposed to use. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So I just finished doing the rest of my face. So the last thing I'll be doing for this video is I'll be using this eyebrow gel from ICandy in the shade Caramel to finally set my brows. Yeah. So that's the finished look for the eyebrow tutorial. I hope you love it. I hope you learned one or two things from this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. I really appreciate. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, my loves. Bye.
I don't wanna waste what's left.